So company pays interest to bank after the second year $4,066.14 and at the end of 7 year $1,982.05 to bank. The interest payment values are decreasing from year 1 to year 7. Now I calculate profit of the company without considering tax. Active cell reference E35, enter equal sign, subtract the value of interest expense of the first year to the value of operating profit for the first year. Click cell reference E31, enter subtraction operator. Click cell reference E34. Press enter key. This is the value of profit of the company without considering tax. To calculate the profit of other years, paste the same formula in other cells. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. This is the projected profit of the company for the first 7 years. This is the profit of the company for the second year, and this is the profit of the company for the 7th year. The values of profit increases from year 1 to year 7.